Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover after a portfolio drop with Personal Capital. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Personal Capital app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the portfolio section of the dashboard. Review your current portfolio allocation and performance metrics. Identify areas where your portfolio has dropped significantly. Click on the specific asset or category to view detailed performance reports. Analyze the historical data to understand the reasons for the drop. Consider external factors affecting market performance, such as economic indicators. Assess your risk tolerance and investment goals during this evaluation. Determine if any assets are underperforming compared to benchmarks. Explore Personal Capital's retirement planner to evaluate long-term impacts. Use the Investment Checkup tool for personalized suggestions. Decide if you want to rebalance your portfolio to better align with your goals. If you choose to rebalance, select assets to sell or adjust. Consider diversifying your holdings to mitigate future risks. Review any transaction fees or tax implications of selling assets. Implement your adjustments based on your research and analysis. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track recovery progress. Stay informed about market trends and potential investment opportunities. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Remember to be patient, as market recoveries can take time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.